Hello everyone. So what you're witnessing behind me are the waves which rode the golden period of India's economy. Welcome to IndieEco, and I'm going to take you to this blue economy ride with me.
Welcome to Indie Eco. Now, I'll be talking about the long standing significance of the blue economy. India has a long history of blue ocean based trade, dating back to the Indus Valley civilization. The modern focus of the blue economy began in the early 2000s with great emphasis on the policies like Sagar, security and growth for all in the region, and Deep Ocean Mission. The ocean contributes significantly to India's GDP, and particularly through the fisheries, the shippings, tourism, and the offshore energy. Now, what are the problems that are there? There's a problem of overfishing and marine pollution. Unregulated fishing depletes resources, while plastics actually acts as a threatening element to our biodiversity. There is a lack of infrastructure investment in the port, shipbuilding, and marine research, which needs quick modernization. The climate change and the rising sea levels have been posing a significant threat to the coastal communities. Illegal fishing and security issues like the smuggling and unauthorized fishing by foreign vessels remain a potent concern. Now, what can be the solution or the way forward? Sustainable fisheries and marine conservation, implement stricter regulation and promote aquaculture, investment in blue technology, develop offshore wind energy, deep sea mining, and bioresources, strengthening of the maritime security, meaning use of the AI, satellite monitoring, and better coastal policing is the way forward. A global collaboration with engaging in partnership with the Indo-Pacific Ocean Initiative for Regional Growth, engaging with USA, with EU to come together to harness an economy, the blue economy, for the benefit of India and for the world. Now, India's blue economy is a gold mine of opportunity, but it requires a sustainable management and innovative policies. By balancing economic growth with environmental conservation, we can unlock the full potential of our ocean while ensuring a better future for the generations to come. Thank you so much.